I had several pictures framed recently and I wanted to hang them using braided wire because it's so much stronger than single wire. But I went to buy some and I was surprised how expensive braided picture hanging wire was. So I thought I could make it myself using everyday common galvanized wire. So I started by taking a length of wire and cutting it 2 times longer than the distance between these D hooks. And then I simply folded it in half and took a 4D finishing nail with a pair of pliers. I bent a hook into the nail, then I chucked the nail into a drill. Now I'm just going to take the wire and hook it right onto the nail, and on the other end I'm going to just grab the wires with a pair of pliers. And I'm going to braid it myself using the power of the drill. You'd be surprised how effective and fast this is. So there you go. So the wire's hooked on, you just squeeze the trigger. There you go. Look at that. In just a few seconds, get a nice strong braided wire. And now all you need to do to tie it off is just put it through the D hook on each end, twist it around, and it's nice and secure.